Welcome back to the show. Welcome back to Drum Fun. Thank you so much for joining us. No matter what you're doing, I hope you've brought a smile and a can-do attitude, because with those two things, there's nothing you cannot achieve. Thank you so much for joining us. If this is your first time, my name is Tommy. This is my buddy Dele. Dele is the main character from my book, The Adventures of the Street Kid. Please make sure you get a copy of the book. Give us a review on Amazon. I know you're going to enjoy and love the story, so please do give us a review. Also, like, subscribe, and share this video. Send it out. Let other people know that if they want to learn how to play the Djembe, Dele and I, we've got you. We're here for you. So today we have another beat pattern to show you, and I know that with your can-do attitude, you will be able to do it. So before we start, we're going to give you the normal 5-second countdown for you to go off, get your instrument, and come back and join us in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ready or not, here we go. I am ready. I've got my djembe. Dele's ready. He's giving me a thumbs up, and I know that you are ready. So before we start, let's exercise our hands. Let's wake them up so that they're ready to do the best playing ever. So let's go. This time we're going to switch it up. So shake 1, shake 1, shake 2, 2, 2, 2. To the side. Other side. And down below. Let's do that again. Shake, shake. To the top. Shake, shake. The other one. To the side. Hey, hey. Other side. Hey, hey. Down below. Thank you so much for joining us again. And we are ready to start. So I've got my 3-minute timer. We're going to learn this beat in 3 minutes. Here we go. So the beat pattern today is very simple, very quick. I think you will learn this one just like that, okay? So I will have a turn first, you will watch, you will listen, then we will play together. You will join with me. Here we go. Tap, tap, beat, beat, tap, tap, beat, beat. We usually start with the beat, but today we're starting with the tap. Okay, I'll do that again. Watch and listen. Tap, tap, beat, beat, tap, tap, beat, beat. Let's have a turn together. Let's go. Tap, tap, beat, beat, tap, tap, beat, beat. Now, you can always pause the video, have a practice, and then come back and join us. So now, the first challenge, tap, tap, beat, beat in your head so you can hear the beat pattern. So I'll have a turn first, then you can join me after. Here we go. One more time. Let's have a turn together. Let's go. One more time. Okay, amazing. So that is our beat pattern of today. But you know, I always like to set you a challenge. So what we're going to do now is we're going to increase the tempo just a little bit. I'll have a turn, listen, and then you can join me after. Are you ready? You can pause, have a quick practice, and then come back and join. But if you're ready, let's go together. I have another challenge for us. I think because this beat is a little bit simpler and easier, I think we should increase the tempo a little bit more. So I'll have a turn, listen, sit back, and then you can join me after. Okay, let's do it together. You've got this, you've got this. Come on, can-do attitude. Let's go. Yay! Well done. Give someone next to you a high five. Come on, Dele. High five. Okay, look, our 3 minutes is nearly up. So I think let's do it again and try and build up speed like Dele and I are going to right now. If you can't, it's okay. Keep practicing. Let's go. Do you know what? If you keep practicing, you can play even quicker and faster than I just did then. All you need to do is just continue to practice. Practice, practice, practice. Practice makes perfect. So thank you so much for joining us. That's the beat pattern today. Keep practicing on the table, on the chair, on your head. No, not on your head. Keep practicing on your lap, when you're in bed, everywhere. And before you know it, you will be the best drummer out there. Thank you so much for joining. Please like, share, subscribe, get Dele's book. Dele Toy will be out very, very soon. Keep your eye out for that. I'll let you know when that happens so you can go and support us. Thank you so much. No matter what you're doing, if you're indoors, if you're out, whatever it is, keep smiling, have a can-do attitude, and there's nothing you will not be able to achieve. Thank you for joining us. See you next time.